Hey guys, welcome back to another 10x income system video, where I'll be showing you the group that is quickly growing, guys. This is a affiliate income system that you can hop on and promote, guys. But I want to show you all what's going on with the live community over here on Facebook, guys. So this is the private 10x income members group, guys. A few days ago, I posted a video, guys, and show you the numbers of members who are in this, and it wasn't even 800, and now we have over 1,000 members, guys. So people are hopping on this really fast, guys. This program hasn't even been out 2 weeks, and we're already up to 1,000 members. Now, I'm also new to this program as well. For those of you who don't know, I've been doing it, promoting this for not even a week yet, and things are already rolling for me as well. If we scroll down, guys, you'll be able to see, people's results and their stories, guys. Check this out. This guy right here woke up to another 297 payment, guys. You see that right there, right in the group. This is the private group, guys. So these people aren't fake. These people are making money. So let's scroll down. Um, let's see over here. Okay, I'm not sure what this is. You received a payment, tax income system. Look at that, another one sold. Oh, that's the same guy. My bad, guys. Got a little confused there. That's the same guy. Let's scroll down. Someone purchased your product. Same guy. Question. Okay, look at that. Oh, got my first payment today. Look at that. Organic, baby. Look at that. This person didn't even use TabbyD's traffic packages. You know what that means, guys? She got in, right? Paid the 297 and just basically just shared the word and got an affiliate sale just like that. It's very easy. It's very easy to use. I think I'm confident that pretty much anyone can do it, guys. It's right here. It's happening. I mean, whether you're watching this and believe it or not, guys, there are real people making some real changes in this program, guys. And I'm definitely on my way to doing that as well, guys. I can feel it. It's right there. Just give me like a couple more days, guys, and I'll be so excited just to share with you some of the results that I get with this as well, guys. Because people are getting the results consistently. I would say all the members are in here are getting their results uh, just under a month, guys. I mean, some people's averagely 1 to 2 weeks. Maybe 3 weeks, guys. But it's safe to say that most of the people in here are getting their results under a month. I definitely want to keep it realistic with you guys. I don't want to lead you in the wrong direction or anything like that. But there's pretty much no risk for using this because of the 365-day money back guarantee. All right, I'm still a new member. I haven't gotten results yet. But my brother, actually, my twin brother, for those of you who don't know, I actually do have a twin brother, and he introduced me to this program and is crushing it right now. In just his third day using this system, he was able to make his initial investment back, okay? And that was huge. That was kind of like a sign me up moment right then there, guys. And there's pretty much nothing to lose after that. Of course, I do have other things going on in my life, guys, besides the 10x income system. I do have a job and everything like that. Um, but like the other things I'm promoting as well, there are things I'm using that are generating me money. But I definitely think this is a safe thing to use, guys, because of this money back guarantee. I can't guarantee or promise any of you results, guys, but a lot of people are using this and actually, making some decent money using it. And there's literally nothing to lose, okay? So I don't think this is something that will hurt you because of what Tabby D is offering here. And I don't know about you guys, but a lot of affiliate systems that I've seen personally and actually used do not offer this. Even the ones that actually have made me money, guys, a lot of systems and programs uh, do not have this just in general. Maybe they'll have like in a week, maybe a couple of days after you purchase. If you give us a call, like right then and there, maybe we can sort something out. But no one has offered a 365-day money back guarantee that I have seen in the affiliate marketing niche, guys, and that is huge. That kind of says a lot about Tabby D and what she's willing to do for her members. So if you're not in the 10x income program, guys, I would highly recommend you all to check it out. But of course, the decision is up to you guys. I'm just speaking from my personal experience, guys. That's going to be pretty much it for this video. As usual, guys, I will have links to this page in the description below so you can check out uh, this page, this landing page, guys. And if you're interested in getting the 10x income package, 10x income system, guys, for $297, that's how much it's available for right now. It used to be $997, but there was a giant price cut. Okay, but I'm sure that will not last for long. Also, there are a few articles that you can actually read up on down below as well. All right, guys, that's gonna be pretty much it for today. See you all later.